Welcome to TechLeapar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add page border on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any blank document. After that click on Design tab and then at the corner you can see page borders option, then just click here and that's it. From here you can add your page border. At first you have to select any option from here. You can see none, box, shadow, 3D and custom. If I select shadow and then choose border style, you can choose any style as you like. Then click on color and then choose your border colors. Then click on OK and it's done. You can see on the page border has been added successfully. If I click here again and then select 3D and then choose any border style. If I select it and then change color, then click on OK and you can see it's changed successfully again. And that is how you can add page border on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.